friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing my summer makeup routine. Okay, I have everything right here. I'm really excited to do this. If you are not familiar or you haven't been following me for like years and years, I used to do makeup tutorials almost exclusively. I worked at Ulta when I started my blog, and so I really loved makeup. I love all things beauty. I still do, but I've really simplified so much. Like, I don't even wear eyeshadow anymore, and I used to do eyeshadow like tutorials. So I feel like I haven't shared my makeup stuff in a while just because I feel like it's boring, but maybe it's not to you. So I'm going to share this. I'm really excited about these. This is what like sparked my interest, or sparked my creativity in doing another makeup video. But I just got these Dibs beauty sticks. I don't even know what they're called. Oh, Desert Island Beauty Status. No, it's called the Status Stick or something like that. I'll put it in the description, and I'll put the links to all the products that I'm using in the description as well. But these are the 3 sticks, Status Sticks, I think they're called, and they're so good. I don't know why, but I just held off on buying anything from Dibs, even though I was really excited and so happy for her for starting this company or this brand, but I don't know, I didn't feel like I needed it. And like I said, I haven't been into makeup, but this Dibs might just like spark a new love for makeup. But anyways, I'm going to share this swatches of these just because they're beautiful, you guys. They are like the hype is real. So I'll just swatch them. This is Unbothered Bronze, and I will just do on the back of my hand. Ooh, I am out of practice on this. Ooh, look how pretty. That's just one little light swipe of the product. And they smell really good. Oh, and they're clean. I do think they have fragrance, like I can smell it, but as far as like other ingredients, the ingredients are clean. So that was the bronze. The next one I'll swipe is Rose Gold. So let's see that right there. How beautiful. My goodness. Okay, and then the last one is the one I've been using the most. This is High Road Highlight. And this is just a beautiful, like just super light and champagne glow, though this is more like a rose gold and this is like an orangey bronze. So and then I'll rub them in so you can see, like when you blend them into your skin, it just like sits, I don't know, it kind of hydrates. I feel like they're hydrating, and then it just sits so nicely on top of your skin. It's not too much at all. It's just literally, like she says, like a glow within. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Okay, so now I'll do my makeup, and I'm gonna talk through it. I used to do these videos where I would do my makeup on camera, but then I would just speed through it. It smells, oh, I just spilled everything. Out of practice on this, you guys. I would speed through the video and then like talk over it sometimes, but most of the time I would just put like music, kind of obnoxious like music to the, it was way before Reels, okay? I was doing something out of my comfort zone. When I look back on some of them, it is kind of cringe, but I'm just gonna pull my hair back so I can get my makeup on without getting it in my hair. Okay, this is the foundation that I've been wearing. It is the Ultra CC Cream by Pacifica. This is a clean beauty brand, and it's SPF 17. So it's not like the only sunscreen you'll want to wear, but I do like that it has some sun block in it, and it is a CC cream. So what I love about it is that it goes on like velvet. It really leaves a nice finish on my skin. This is the medium, I think, shade, and I'm gonna need to go down if I keep wearing this throughout the winter, because it is pretty dark, but it does blend well. And like my summer tan, it's okay, but I just love the finish. Pacifica is one of the first clean brands that I kind of even came across when I was working at Ulta, actually. They had those fragrances, like perfumes that smell really good. Before I was into all the hippie natural things, we sold a lot of that actually. Okay, so I just put it on like that with my hands, clean hands of course, and it just, I don't know, it blurs and leaves kind of like a velvet finish, and it lasts all day. Like that finish will be on when I go to take like my makeup off at the end of the night. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, next, if I need it or if I want extra coverage, I'll use my concealer. This is the Young Living what is it even called? Savvy Minerals Liquid Concealer. Yes, and this is shade medium 1. I've used this since I got into Young Living, so I don't know, maybe 3 years now, and it's honestly been my favorite concealer ever since. And so I don't really shop with Young Living that much anymore, but this is one of the things that I still buy, and I love it. I don't know if I brought my brush. Yes, I did. Dropped it. And then I just dab it on, dot it on wherever I need the extra coverage, and then just use a brush to kind of blend it in. This is like a skin finish. Like, it looks like your skin. It doesn't look like you have heavy makeup on, and it covers really well. It's like one of those like thin, really pigmented formulas, so you don't need a lot of it. And it covers anything. And next, my highlighter, I'll use the High Road Highlight. This stick, oh, look how beautiful. I'm really obsessed with these. I'm getting the eyeshadow palettes next. So I kind of dab it. You can just swipe it wherever you want it. Put a little on my finger, under my brow, inner corner, wherever you want to highlight. It blends in like butter. It's so smooth, but not like dewy. It's kind of like a powdery finish. It's just a perfect medium, like awesome finish. And it just gives you a natural glow. I love it. I haven't even used the bronze one actually, but a lot of the girls will put it here, so I'll just show you when you do like when they do tutorials with it. I am so out of practice with this type of video, but I love it. Okay, so you can highlight your collarbones, your shoulders when you have like an off the shoulder, your shoulders aren't covered. So pretty. I love it. All right, now I'll do my brows. I didn't bring a mirror down here, so this is going to be interesting. But these are the 2 brow products. This, really excited to share. I haven't shared, I don't even think I've shared this on Instagram yet, but this is the Cara Sanchez brow. It's like a gel. It's called the Luxe Brow Lift. So there's the back of it, but it's basically like a brow lamination gel. So it keeps your brows really held into place. But I use this after I used my little pencil, and this is just the one I have right now, but these skinny pencils are my favorite. This one is L'Oreal. I don't even know if it's clean, to be honest. I haven't even checked. I just bought it at I think at Walmart last time I was there. I do like the e.l.f. one too. It's really cheap. But I just line this up. So I know where my brow should start. Okay, now I can see a little better. So I marked where my brow should start, just the inner corner of your eye. And then I'm just going to take this and fill in there. And then for the top, I just go straight out from this point until I meet that little tail. Then fill it in. Then spoolie side, is this gonna focus? Let's see, spoolie side was unnecessary. I just combed through and kind of blend it all together. Lightly though, because you're going to blend even more with the brow gel. So I'll show you that on this side too. Here's the gel. And it comes with these spoolie brushes. So you just take one of these, dab a little bit of this product, and then work it into your brow. It holds your brows so well. And you can even go straight up if you like that laminated look. I just kind of comb them to where they're going to stay in the most natural place. Okay, so that is my brow. This little corner will need a little bit more, but that's before and then after. So I just did the same thing on this side, using the gel to hold the hairs into place. And that is it. The last thing is mascara, and I've been using this since I did my video with them. This is Vapor Beauty mascara, and I do curl my lashes because I do not have extensions anymore. We're gonna zoom back in. So this is just this is a Kevyn Aucoin curler. I used to be obsessed with that brand when I worked a lot with Octoly. They have like this bronzer highlight blush trio that is amazing. I just don't think it's clean. I think that's why I stopped using it. But I usually curl for about 15 seconds. And honestly, for me, the key with doing my mascara these days is less is more. So I kind of wipe off the extra. You can see the brush. This is my favorite kind of brush. It's soft, but it also has a lot of bristles. Whoops. And I just do the tips, otherwise my curl won't stay. I do miss my lash extensions, but I do like being able to rub my eyes and like clean my eyes really well. I don't know. I might go back. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so that's before and after. I really do love this mascara. It's about time to get a new one actually, and I'll definitely repurchase. This is linked on my Amazon store. I have a storefront now on Amazon. So all of my favorite clean makeup, skincare, all the products that I use in essential oils like Revive, Plant Therapy, and I think Eden's Garden are all on Amazon. I will link that in the description. Okay, and if you get mascara like that on your face, anywhere it's not supposed to be, if you haven't heard or seen this hack yet, you just wait till it's dry and a Q-tip will just flake it right off, or even just a little tissue. But wait till it's dry, otherwise it'll just smear around first. That's it. It usually takes me between 5 and 7 minutes if I'm not talking and looking into a camera lens, but this is my clean-ish, I like to say ish because no one's perfect, but that is, for the majority, all of my products are clean. Vapor Beauty is clean, Pacifica clean. They might use fragrance. But this does have coconut water in. This is super, like, I love this. And I will continue to use it like into the winter too. Yeah, this is natural medium. So I'll definitely get a lighter shade for winter. So if you are more of a light to medium, go down in shades. This is the medium and it's pretty dark, but it's moisture rich foundation. It does really moisturize and illuminate my skin without being super dewy and glowy. Like my other Skin Resource MD tinted moisturizer, it's SPF 47. But it's really dewy, and I know not everyone is a fan of that, so I like this one. It's a good, like, velvety, like a satin finish, if we're talking finishes. This is another thing in a product that I like. This is the Boy Brow by Glossier. This is just like a little brush. It doesn't hold as well as the Cara Sanchez gel, so if you want more of a light hold or something natural, they also have this in tinted colors, so if you just want something super fast. Thank you so much for watching. I will link, these are, you guys, you have to try these. I'm getting some eyeshadow palettes soon, so I'll do maybe an eyeshadow tutorial. I just said I don't wear eyeshadow anymore, but they're very natural colors, and I feel like it's just going to be a bomb palette. Like, it's a little mini makeup palette. I don't know, she's just nailed it with these, so you guys should check them out. I will link them in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was fun. I hope you have a great day. Bye.